can't tell, I'm sick right now. Not looking my best either, but here's the thing. I'm quite honestly atrocious at cooking and baking. Editor's note. I cannot over-exaggerate how bad I am at baking. I'm truly awful, so don't feel the need to tell me because I already know. Also, if you're looking for a tutorial, this isn't the video. I wanted to make something really difficult because I know it's just gonna be a disaster and it's probably more entertaining than me making some really mediocre chocolate chip cookies. As a collective team, and by that I mean me and then anyone who follows me on Instagram and voted on the poll, we decided to make macaroons. This is a macaroon and this is a macaron. We're gonna be making the macaron. I really don't know how to say that, but I'm gonna refer to it as a macaroon because whenever you talk to someone, they always say macaroon. Maybe it's just because like we're all stupid and it's French. I'm gonna be using a recipe from Food Network. I have it on my phone. I will link the recipe down below in case you wanna show me up. Just not good in the kitchen. That was so bad. Let's gather our ingredients.
1 3/4 cups of confectioner's sugar, 1 cup of almond flour, I don't know what this is, 3 large eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, I also don't know what this is, a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, a few drops of gel food coloring, I'm pretty sure this isn't gel, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some sort of filling. You should probably make your own, but I'm lazy, so.
Yeah, that's enough of that. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit using the convection setting. I don't know if my oven has that. What did it say? Start! Next it says line 3 baking sheets with silicone mats. I just didn't get silicone mats. People told me that wax paper worked. If they're lying to me,
darkness, my old friend.
This is how much I don't bake. Like, I don't even know where the bowls are in my own kitchen. Measure the confectioner's sugar and almond flour by spooning them. Frisky. Oh, I need to wash my hands. Germs are bad. This seems like a lot of sugar. I'm kidding, calm down. I was today years old when I found out that almond flour existed. There we go. The amount of people that are just gonna be offended by my baking abilities.
The limit does not exist.
Sorry. Sift the sugar almond flour mixture a little at a time through a fine mesh sieve. It's pronounced sieve. I don't know baking lingo. When I saw that, I had no idea what that was. So I called my mom. She didn't answer. So then I called my grandma and she was like, oh, I don't have one of those, but I'm at Walmart right now and I'll just get you one. Like, I'm sorry. She's so pure and amazing. We love her. There's mesh on the inside and it's kind of fun. If this isn't the right thing, you better not come for my grandma in the comments because she was so nice. She freaking bought this for me and I have no idea how to use it, frankly. How to use a sifter. That's what I'm gonna look up right now. Oh, this person has the same thing as me. However, they're speaking in a different language, but we're just gonna watch it. Shoot, they didn't show, what? Let's just try it, man. I mean, what can go wrong? I'm doing it!
12 seconds later.
This is a workout and honestly, I'm a little over it. Like, go through. Ugh. I'm so thankful that's over. I mean, the recipe literally says it will take a while. I severely underestimated that because I feel like a year just passed. Almond flour and confectioner's sugar is now in here. I have eggs, but we only need the egg white. Who does the Food Network think I am? I can't do that. I just educated myself and watched a life hack video for like 12 seconds and it had someone cracking an egg and then holding it over top of this spoon. The egg white just dripped through this little situation. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, frick. Yeah, okay, so whoever posted that video, that just does not work. Fake news. If anyone had Cooking Mama on, like, the Nintendo DS, like, this is how they did it, where they just shifted it back and forth, which I think is, like, the professional way of doing it. Woo! I legitimately have no idea what this even is, so... Then you need a pinch of salt, which... That is not a pinch of salt. I don't know. You know me, always planning ahead. After we beat this with a mixer, we're gonna need a 1/4 cup of sugar to mix in there, so just, you know, already getting that prepared. I also learned that by reading ahead that I'm gonna have to combine this a certain way. So for now, I'm gonna mix it in here. I don't know if this makes any sense. It's fine. It says to do this until they're frothy. They're frothing, let me tell you. Now it says to gradually add the sugar until it's stiff and shiny. Whatever that means. It kind of reminds me of vanilla pudding. Is this a good thing? We're not sure. Now this is the part where I want the biggest bowl. Transfer the beaten egg whites to the bowl with the almond flour mixture. Draw a rubber spatula halfway through the mixture and fold until incorporated, giving the bowl a 1/4 turn with each fold. That's just a lot for my brain to process. So put that in there, and I stick this at like the radius point, and then I fold it and move this. I feel like this is the downfall. Stick, fold, turn. I can't tell if what I'm doing is even remotely how they wanted me to do it. I actually know that there's a difference between gel and liquid food coloring. However, I couldn't find gel, so I don't really know what this is. It mixed in, so maybe that's a good sign. Typically when I bake, it's like ready to be thrown out by now. Is this a thin flat ribbon? Let me know in the comments. Actually don't. That's probably gonna hurt my self-esteem. What's the best way of transferring it? Oh, I made them too big, I think. I think they're supposed to be a lot smaller than this. How do people do this? What? Do you see the size variation? This is so bad. These ones are merging together. That one's gonna merge. Oh shoot. It says to hit it against the counter to release air bubbles, which just sounds stupid. This. What is that? Awesome. This is one of those things where, like, quite honestly, I've had enough. These also look bad. It says to let the cookies sit at room temperature until the tops are no longer sticky to the touch. Apparently this could be up to an hour. Well, I guess I will see you guys then.
Eventually.
They are no longer sticky to the touch, so I think it's about time we put them in the oven. It says we're supposed to put another baking sheet underneath of the baking sheet because it protects the cookies from the heat, which just like, what are they doing in the oven then? I'm going delusional.
20 minutes later.
I mean, this is what I expected. Yeah, I'm just trying to distract you from the fact that these are literally terrible and also so different from each other. The next step is to make the filling, and I predicted earlier, before I even started filming this video, that this was just going to go terribly, and my prediction came true. So instead of going through the pain of making filling for a really terrible, what are these? I purchased buttercream frosting in advance. I don't even know if it's gonna come off of the sheet. Oh, it's not, okay. The silicone mats were no joke. You definitely should have purchased those. Literally, they are attached to the wax. If you're into eating wax paper, those are perfect for you. Same result over here. So that was good. I want to say that I did not throw these out for no reason. I wasn't being intentionally wasteful. They were actually inedible. I wouldn't waste resources on purpose. Like, I paid like $16 for the ingredients. Do you think I wanted to throw them away? No. I'm upset about it too. You know what? Let's just try the little top. Oh my god, it's so bad. Ugh. If I could genuinely get one of these, you know, without the wax paper, I would, and I would taste it for you guys, even though, fun fact, actually, I don't like macaroons. Maybe that's why I'm so okay with this being a fail, because, like, I wouldn't eat them anyways. Cannot be salvaged, so. Honestly, a little sad. These are gonna be fun to clean later. that's the video. I freaking hope this made a decent video because otherwise I wasted my time and money on this. What is this? I can't bake literally anything. This is not a surprise to me. Please don't write comments that are like, you suck, because like, listen, I know. Maybe this goes to show that you just can't be good at everything. I'm definitely not good at everything. In fact, I can't really say that I'm good at anything, but this just really drives that point home. Bye!